Hey YouTube, what's up? It's me, Stephanie, and today I'm going to be doing 4 outfits for the 4th of July, and I'm so excited. I love this holiday because I love America and sparkles and blowing things up, so this is like my holiday. So if you guys want to see the 4 outfits that I put together, then just keep on watching.
And take my breath and never let it go. If you just let me invade your space, I'll take the pleasure, take it with the pain.
Okay, so my shirt is from Cotton On, my skirt is from Forever 21, and the shoes that you're about to see are Converse.
I hopped up the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on.
In outfit number 2, my shirt is from Charlotte Russe. That skirt is from Forever 21 again, and my shoes are from Aldo.
Get to the club in my taxi cab, everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking kicks? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls on around me. It's definitely not a Nashville party, cause all I see are stilettos. I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the DJ dropped my favorite tune, and the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song.
In outfit number 3, my shirt is from Forever 21, I'm pretty sure. My skirt is from PacSun, and it's just a velvet ribbed skirt, and my shoes are just like black boots. Jeffrey Campbell, you guys have seen those before. Wow, I have a lot of striped shirts in this video. Okay, so this top is from PacSun, and my jeans are from Fashion Nova, and it kind of reminded me of Miranda Sings, all tucked in like that, so I just pulled it out, and I think it looks way cuter like this. And I forgot to show the shoes for this outfit, but I think I would just wear my Converse with this one. Comment below which one you think I should wear for this 4th of July, because I'm not sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!